Sloan. My name is Lindsay. I'm with Perfectly Pastry. If you don't know who Perfectly Pastry is, we are an online bakery with local services in the St. Louis and Southeast Missouri region. So my daughter is here today and we are in the kitchen because we're going to show you guys how easy it is to make keto icing. But first, I had a crazy epiphany this week. I learned a very valuable lesson about working smarter, not harder. So in the past, I was like, oh, we're gonna do YouTube videos and we are gonna do audio recordings of our blog posts because seriously, sometimes I wanna read blog posts and I just can't, and I wish there was an audio version of it. It's okay. And so I was recording lives, and then I would go and record a video for YouTube, and then I was like trying to record a podcast for our blog post, and I was doing all of these things and writing these blog posts, and then I realized this week that I can download my live videos. I can take out the sections that I want regarding whatever I'm talking about that week. I can turn those into a YouTube video. I can take the audio from that YouTube video and create a podcast. So I just saved myself a ton of work, and I am so excited. So I am back on YouTube. I am back on the podcast. All right, Sloanie. She has been dying to tell you guys. I'm going to adjust this just slightly. She has been dying to show you guys how to make her keto-friendly American buttercream, right?
Okay.
All right. Sloan, what did you do with your ingredients? Do you remember what we called this? Mise en
Buttercream?
Mise en place.
Mise en place?
We mise en place. And what do we have here? What is this? Is this butter?
Butter.
And then we have vanilla.
Vanilla.
And then do you remember what this was called?
What?
Swerve confectioner sugar.
Confectioner.
Yep, you gotta tell them. All right, you guys, so I did put the ingredients or the recipe in the description. I did post it the other day. Hold on. So it is, again, a 2-to-1 ratio. So we have 7 ounces of butter. We have 14 ounces of the Swerve confectioner sugar because that's what we prefer to use. And then we have 0.2 ounces of vanilla. Sloan, can you show them how to make it by putting the butter in? Can you put the butter in the bowl? Yep, dump it in there.
You put it like this.
Yeah. Oh, here. There, now we got it, right? Can you add the vanilla?
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, hold it. Can you?
I can.
You can? Okay, ready? So the most important thing about making icing, you guys, well, I guess there's two super important things. Hold on. Yep. Important things about making icing. 1, your butter needs to be room temperature. We put the butter out last night, didn't we? We put it out last night so that it would be ready for today. 2, use the whip attachment and whip it for, can you tell how many minutes? Do you know how many minutes?
12 minutes.
Not 12, 10.
10.
Whip it for 10 minutes. You're going to whip it for 10 minutes because you want to add air into it, and that makes it the fluffy icing. So like Sloan said, we lock it into place, and then we turn it on, and then you whip it with the attachment paddle, and after 10 minutes, it will be icing. Now, I did not do a before and after demonstration today because I am almost out of Swerve confectioner sugar, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, it's super simple. You just add it in
That's
here.
really loud.
Hold on, and you just whip it and whip it and whip it. So for now, I'm gonna turn that off so you guys don't have to listen to it for the 10 minutes, but it's super. Hey guys, we're back. Sloan was very adamant that we show you guys what our icing looked like, and she really wants to taste it. All right, dip your cookie in.
And this is how my cookie works.
And that's how her cookie tastes. So see guys, it was super simple. We left it on for 10 minutes. Now we have our icing, and the best part about it, it is yummy. Super yummy. So you can put it on, well, anything that you have that's keto friendly, or just eat it. Whatever you want. You cannot have the whole bowl. You guys have a good rest of the day. Again, we just wanted to show you. Say bye.